Hello, Chikidudi! Welcome to our channel, Kiray and Kiddos! So for today's vlog, mga Chikiddos, we're going to do an unboxing. Ito yung mga regalo na natanggap ko sa sa Pasko. So, yung Kiddos, tapos na sila mag-unboxing sa kanila. Ako hindi pa. So, ayan. So, first, kasi mga alcoholic ka tayo, ni joke. Mga alcoholic tayo, na joke lang. So, first, ito is a gift ng ng father-in-law ko. Ayan. So, nakikita nyo, ayan. So, left and right na Righted. Celeste des Dux. BSO Cognac. Oh, di ba?
Cognac.
Yeah, it's a cognac. So, ayan. Ayun siya. Ayan. So, kala siguro ng father-in-law ko, mag-iinom, no? Joke. So, next is another gift sa Kiddos. Ayan.
I want open.
You want to open it? But wait. This one is another gift galing sa Kiddos. Okay, you open it. But das ist noch nicht mit der...
Das kann man alleine machen.
Okay, then mach. So, ayan. Excited si Alex. Asti! Yo! Oh!
Es ist immer noch Kleber dran.
Yeah, so, ayan.
So, ayan. Ano to siya? Yung raclette. Mag-grill, pang indoor grill siya. So, winter na. Ang tagal kong nag-wish nito. And finally, I have one. You get that one first? Oh! It's in a color. That's here. Oh! Ito yung, niya. Ito yung mo. Dito mo ilalagay yung mga meat mo, mag-grill ka. Ayan. Oh, may din siya. May local, tawag yan. Yeah, this is a holes. At may kasama siya may kasama siyang spoon, wood, made of wood, na spoon. Tapos this one, ito mo ilalagay yung mga mixes mo. Tapos, takpan mo ng overcoated with the cheese. So, ayan. O, diba? Tapos ilagay mo siya. How many little pieces? 2, 4, 6, 8. Walo siyang Reserve? Gifts are reserved? Yeah. May reserve daw, sabi ni Alex. So, ayan. It's good siya. Diba? Akmal kung dito here. Eat na. So, ganyan siya. So, i-on mo lang siya.
So, ayan mga Chikidudes. So, ito yung, yung indoor grill na regalo ng mga Kiddos. So, ayan siya. It's a Thomann. Hands Thomanns. So, this is so schwer to open, Alex. Ich muss das machen. So, ayan mga Chikidudes. Tantararan! Ano kaya ito? So, okay, open it. Langsam open. Wartet es. Okay, you open it. So, tantararan! Tarararan! Wow! So, ayan. Sponsored by Arn Mayora. Ayan mga Chikidudes. Mag-level up na ang setup ko sa studio. I'm gonna use NT1-A na microphone. Ayan. From Rude. Oder Rudy. Ito business. STEINBERG. From STEINBERG. It's UR22C. Ito yung interface audio na match sa sa NT1-A. So, ayan siya. And we have how many? 3 cables here.
This is for This?
No, this is for the loudspeaker. Because I have two large loudspeaker upcoming for my studio. So, ayan siya.
Asti.
So, let's do the unboxing.
Asti, what?
Sa ano natin? So, ayan. So, wait.
Kannst du die Karten auspacken?
Nee, wait. So, ayan siya. So, ayan mga
Ist das
Chikidudes.
eine Batterie?
What battery?
Eine Batterie ist das?
No, this is not a battery. It's like a sound card. So, let's open our microphone. Let's open. Mega love shout out San Aquino. Nang dahil sa'yo, napabili ako ng bago. So, ayan siya. So, let's open it. Kung ano ang laman. So, what we have here, we have the... Wait.
First this and then this.
So, this is the mic for sure. Because nakasulat mic.
This one?
Here, wait, please. Asti. So, ayan, nakakalat na kami dito. We have to start with this one first. Okay? So, that's the microphone. So, you pull it up.
got that
Just like
one
that.
too.
Oh.
We got three.
Oh.
We got two.
No, this other one. So, ito yung microphone niya. So, ayan siya mga Chikidudes. Ayan siya.
First, then.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Wait. At may dust bag tayo. Ayan siya. Yun yung dust bag niya. Ikaw. This one is the shock mount with pop filter.
Was macht ihr da?
Ito yung shock mount niya mga Chikidudes with pop filter. So, yun. You open it. You take it out. So, wait. Wait. Oh. What happened? Bati, nini. So, ayan. Yan yung filter niya. At ito yung holder niya. So, let's put it in the box. Put it back in the box. This is... So, asan ba ito siya? Ah, here. This one. Oh, wait. So, ang ingay ng aso ko mga Chikidudes. So, ito na. Ilagay ko na siya. In-install ko na.
Look.
Yeah, wait. This is a manual instruction.
Oh.
So,
Pretty.
ayan siya. Kasi wait lang.
Dafür gibt's einen Sticker, Mama.
Yeah.
Dafür gibt's Sticker.
Yeah. And what we have here, we have the sticker. Ayan. We have a sticker here. And manual instructions. The microphone, how to install it. Yeah, how to install it. And what we have here is also a blue ring. quick start guide. May gumi din siya na ano, iwan ko kung ano to. Tignan natin ito mamaya. So don't make a put that things by because and this one for sure is you open it. You have to show it to the camera. Hindi kapot maka na carton, no?
Wait, open.
You cannot open it. So, ito yung cable natin. Cable natin. 6 meter, ano siya. Ang haba niya. Ayan. So,
now.
So, ayan siya. May ano pa siya, may band siya. So, ayan, may band. So, let's do it to connect to our microphone. Sinuotan ko na siya ng dust bag kasi hindi nakadapa lang kami dito sa carpet. So, ayan siya. So, ayan yung mic natin. Tapos, moment. Before natin i-install, dapat pala yung mic natin, ilagay muna natin here. So, ilagay muna natin sa ating holder. Sabit lang. So, ayan siya. Ilagay natin dyan. At saka, itusok natin yung ano natin. Am I doing it right or am I doing it wrong?
Right.
You think so? It's right? Yeah, it's right. So, ayan siya mga Chikidudes. Nakalimutan ko palang hindi akala ko may kasali siya yung stander niya. Hindi pala. Hindi ko na-order. Hindi ko nasabihan yung asawa ko na orderin. So, wala siyang stander. So, wait. So, Alex is now... Can you twist it here, Alex?
What?
This one. Bakit so? Test mo. So.
Hold on.
Test siya. Okay. So, ayan siya. Hindi mo sexy. So, yung ano na lang, yung... so, ayan. So, takpan muna natin sa yung microphone natin. And now, so, put it first. We have to take it off the line. So, this get niche. Wait.
Now,
Oh, yeah.
we make open this one.
Butter this, Alex. Butter this.
First, you pick one.
Butter this. Yeah, you wait first. So, Alex is very excited. I don't know why he's very excited. So, i-ano muna natin sila. And now, mga Chikidudes, this one, our interface. You wait. You have to look which side you have to. Ayan siya. Tereng! So, sana kaya ko siyang i-install. So, ito yung manual niya, yung instruction natin. Ayan. Yung instruction natin. And that's the product. Oh, wait first. So, ayan. Nice. So, ito yung ano ng microphone. Dito isasaksak yung microphone natin.
There's no question.
Nice. No more din. So, ayan siya. Mabigat siya mga Chikidudes. Ang laman niya, ang included niya, sa box is only this one. The USB cable.
There.
Yeah, this is to charge. So, ayan. That's all for now. I-update ko na lang kayo for our next vlog sa pag-set up nito. So, ayan mga Chikidudes. Bye and
Thank you for watching.
thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share, like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kiray and Kiddos. At sa hindi pa naka-subscribe sa channel namin, please hit the notification down below para ma-update kayo sa mga vlogs namin. Ayan. So, here's Kiray and Kiddos. Kiray and
Kiddos.
Alex. So, ayan mga Chikidudes. Bye! Thank you for watching!